Assalamu alaikum. Hope so. Everybody is doing good. I would like to discuss the grade boundaries for maths. That was the for the paper that held during the session February March 2023. So as you can see on my screen, the result the grade boundaries are showing here, and you know that the boundaries are pretty high. A is making at 60 marks, so that's pretty high, you can say. So B is on 52, C is in 42, and D is something 33, and D is 24. No doubt the grade boundaries for 4-2 paper that was for mechanics is pretty low. It's right, but for paper 1-2 that was a pure paper, the grade boundaries are high, you can say. And everyone is expecting that the boundaries for the February March will also be high, because you can see uh, in the paper that was introduced by the Cambridge website, and everybody is saying that the threshold will be matches to the 2019 grade boundaries, because there is a graph discussion about that, a long discussion. You can visit the website to check. And experts are saying that the grade boundaries will matches with 2019. If you go back to the 2019 session that was for February March, you can see the grade boundaries were 66, means you can get an A at 66. And at 2023 the grade boundary is 60. It means that 6 marks are below than 2019, right? It means that there is a leniency in February March 2023 rather than February March 2019. First point that you can understand by this. Second point, you can see if the February March 2019 the grade was 66, and in the May June 2019 the threshold is low, like it's lying between 62 is a, you can get an A. It means that every session in 2020, 19, 18, something like that, when you follow the threshold boundaries, you can see February March grades are pretty high, but when you go back to the May zone, approximately 7 to 8 marks, there is a leniency of 7 to 8 marks whenever the result for the May zone is expected. So you can see for the February March 2023, the A is making at 60 marks for pure paper, because I'm talking about pure paper. Mechanics paper was easy, not an issue. Just only pure paper was too much difficult, you can say. Everyone is saying the paper was unexceptional. So if the grade boundaries for the February March is 60, and the February March paper was not too much difficult, that was easy. So if it is making an A at 60 marks, means 60 percentage marks is you can get an A. So for the May zone, if you follow the previous sequence, there should be a leniency of 7 to 8 marks from the 2019. So using the sequence, you can make an 8 marks leniency over here by the comparison of 2019 February March to the May zone, and you are able to expect the A grade for the February May June 2023 would be lying between 52 to 53. That was the range on the comparison. If you compare the difficulty level, like the paper was very difficult, the difficulty level of the paper was very high, pretty high, you can say. So on that comparison, you can say the threshold boundaries should lie between 46 to 50. It's my opinion, and other expertise are also saying that the paper was very difficult, and on that comparison there should be also a leniency of 5 to 6 marks on other than that comparison. So hope so you will get an A, and your threshold will be lying between 46 to 50, something like that. So be easy and do best for your remaining papers, that is for bio, chemistry, physics, and also practicals for bio and chemistry that are pending right now. Best of luck, try your best. Inshallah, you will get an A. Thank you.